So these are preacher curls. Preacher curls are just normal dumbbell curls, but with something to fix my elbow on. And I also have my elbow slightly in front of the body. So what I do is, facing forward, I'm going to pick a dumbbell that's the correct weight, rest my elbow on an inclined bench like this, and I simply lower the weight down, and I curl the weight back up. Now, a couple of key things here. You'll notice that I'm not going all the way down to the bottom, because if I do, I lose tension. And I'm also not going all the way to the top, because again, I lose tension. I finish the movement around here, where my bicep is still working hard. I lower the weight down nice and slowly, come back up, lower the weight down nice and slowly, and I come back up, okay? The main thing with this, outside of that actual range of motion, is make sure that the incline on the bench is set up correctly. You don't want it to be here, because then there's not enough tension on the bicep throughout the movement. I want an incline that is quite high like this, okay? So it's not going to be completely upright, but it's relatively high like this, okay? It'll take a wee bit of experimenting to find what suits you, but it's roughly there. Not quite to the top, not quite to the bottom, moving slowly between these two ranges, okay? And that's the dumbbell preacher curl for you.